The development of eVTOL is really starting to take up pace, and here in Paris we've been talking to many different companies about their solutions. Now TE Connectivity have got a very, very impressive solution to a problem that we may not even have thought about, and that's to do with weight. And to tell us more from TE Connectivity, I've got Martin Cullen. So first of all, Martin, weight. We think about weight all the time when it comes to eVTOL, but we don't think about sort of the small scale stuff. We think about the size of the batteries and the weight of the batteries, but you guys have gone a step further, should we say?
Absolutely. So when we talk to our customers about what they're looking for with our components, weight is a huge importance. And some of our customers really are trying to shave grams off our cables, off our connectors, looking for every single opportunity to fly further with more people.
Now, behind you, you've got quite an exciting little setup showing a wiring loom. Now, for us looking on here, we know about the cabling that goes into a car or an aircraft or anything like this, but maybe we don't think about the amount of weight that actually does add on to something. And when you see how much there is, it's quite evident, isn't it?
Yeah, so these electrical aircraft are very complicated in terms of the interconnectivity. There are meters and meters and many, many relays and connectors that you find in these aircraft. So behind us, we have over 120 different components in this vehicle, covering connectors, wire, cable, relays, fiber optic. It's a huge amount of interconnectivity that we can provide to our customers.
Tell us a bit about the company then, TE Connectivity.
So TE is one of those huge companies you may not have heard of before. We are everywhere. We are in your iPhone, we are in your aircraft you fly, the cars you drive in every single day. We are worldwide, 140 different countries, something like over 90,000 people, 93,000 people worldwide. So we are one of those companies that really helps everyday people live their lives.
Now, let's go back to the behind us then, because we are talking about 1% gains, marginal gains across the board. And when we look at things like eVTOL, we are a little bit maybe hung up on the rotors. What's the system? Is it going to be, one versus another? Is this a 6 prop? Is it a 4 prop? Is it? And we get so hung up on that we don't really think about the smaller aspects of it. Mm-hmm. But you're fascinated by this side of things.
Oh, absolutely, because it really does come down to how you do your architecture for these vehicles. And that is something that we can provide. Now, we have a very broad portfolio of cables and connectors, fiber optics, etc., relays. But we have this capability that we find we can really understand the system, understand the architecture to make these small gains end up being very important for our customers.
What are the unique challenges then that eVTOL maybe presents that other areas like maybe motoring doesn't?
Sure. So, like automotive, these vehicles run at very high voltage, but difference is we actually fly. We are at altitude, so we have to consider things about safety. And again, that's one of these things that TE, with its aerospace heritage, can really understand and help our customers. We can think about how we design our components, how our customers use our components to ensure these vehicles are safe and reliable, and people have confidence to fly them.
It's absolutely fascinating. Martin, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.